else. It's been a blessing, man. Training with world-class fighters, world champions, different organizations. I was blessed to partner up with some of the most experienced partners out there. So training under the likes of Henry Huth, Kami Kazani, and Greg Jones has only been a blessing.
Are you looking forward to go for a world title again here in the Philippines?
Man, it's like Thriller in Manila Part 4 for me. Every single time I'm here, it's like a main event fight, it's a major fight, so it's always a blessing to be here in Manila. The people here are beautiful. Little do anyone know, but my older sister is married to a Filipino, so I know the family vibes, I know the Filipino vibes, so man, it's only a blessing to come back home.
Should fight for the citizenship.
I'm gonna fight for the citizenship. Trust me. Nah.
Do you still have aspirations to get that lightweight?
Look, at the moment, I'm only worried about my next task, and that's Jademba. Defending my legacy, holding my title, and you know what? We'll see where the plan and the road takes us. I'll leave everything in God's hands, and if He guides me back that way, then I'll snatch it with 2 hands.
Martin, you had a bit of trouble with your knee last year. Has that all dusted off, and you're feeling much more comfortable sitting at the one weight rather than thinking about going up and down or jumping around?
Hey, look at me! I've got like a smile on my face, so I don't have to cut weight. I don't have to do any bit of weight cutting at all. I'm waking up underweight. I'm eating food. This is my division. This is where I'm most happiest, where I'm most strongest, where I'm most fastest. In terms of the knee injury, thank you to the guys at home, Nesta and New Age Physiotherapy. He's got me every single day. I was in that clinic, and man, it was like 5 weeks, 6 weeks straight. It was intense sessions, and he's got me back to where I want to be.
I'm going to ask the same question I asked Jadamba earlier. Who do you believe has the greater power between the two of you?
I think we both have greater power. I think we'll know tomorrow, Friday night, when we land the punch and who crumbles, who's got the stronger punch.
You're excited, huh?
I'm very excited. I feel that this is not only my time, but this is my division and my legacy. So I'm very honoured and humbled to be going up against Jademba. He's a legend. Everyone calls out Jademba, but when it comes to the crunch of accepting the fight, I think 9 times out of 10 people will say no. As soon as Jademba's name was raised, I put pen to paper straight away.
Mate, you were there last week, I think the week before in Tokyo. How much of, and soaking it all up and having a look, how much of a buzz is there amongst the fighters about where things are going and how big that whole event was?
Look, it's I don't think people realise that event was only just like a little sneak peek of what's to come. But the fighters haven't changed. The fighters are still hungry as ever. They're still respectful as ever and humble as ever. So it's only now that people are realising how big one championship is. So it only takes an event after event after event for people to realise that one champion is the next big thing.
Martin, you mind sharing your thoughts about the Aung La Vera fight?
Aung La Vera fight, it's going to be an exciting fight. I'm torn because I'm very good friends with both of them. It's going to be a very good fight, but I always got to have my brother Aung La, so he's guided me through the ways. We've helped each other a lot. We've had dinner together. We've shared time together with our families. Family means the most to me. So unfortunately, I don't want to call predictions or anything like that because I'm not that type of person to do so. But good luck to the best man.
Have you been working out together in the cage, and what's he been teaching you?
With Aung La, yeah, he just taught me persistence, sharpening me up. We really can't train together because of the size difference, obviously. The only time we actually train together is when we eat against each other. So, so that's the only time where me and Aung La come together.
Any prediction for yourself?
Prediction for myself, I feel I don't like to call predictions. I like to fight the best fight I can have and I can do. Be the better fighter that I can be, and you know what? God willing, man, everything comes to plan.
Do you worry about ring rust?
Ring rust? Ring rust is no such thing. I've been training ever since, even with the knee injury. I was running every day. It's all part of the rehab. So the only thing I couldn't do, a part of that 3 to 4 months I was out, was wrestling. But now I'm back wrestling. I'm back to doing everything I can. And I mean, look at me. I'm happy, man. So what more can you do than be a happy fighter? You can't. He's in his element. So.
Gordon, you seem to find yourself in big-time fights in Manila. You became a double champion here in Manila. You tried becoming a 3-division champion here in Manila.
So this is where the government should come in and go, here's your citizenship.
So, can you tell us what's it like fighting in front of a Filipino crowd?
Look, the Filipino crowd, there's no lie about it. They're one of the most educated crowds out there, and they're the most passionate. So whether it's a hometown hero or another country versus another country, they know what's going on. Very passionate about the sport and everything that happens within that cage. So all we can do is just be the best athlete we can and exemplify true martial arts and their values.